We have another relace of the Kobe basketball sneakers. This piece is specifically the Nike Kobe 8 Protro College Navy, and it will be released on September 5, 2024 with a retail price of $190. As always, this is a polished athletic shoe that will add real support to the foot thanks to its stiffness. It also adds an unusual design in a nice dark blue colorway. The big attraction is the inner liner, which has a thickness of around 2 centimeters. On the secondary market, their price has already climbed to $230 and more. How do you like them? Write in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.